Hey guys, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I got to speak with a nice gal from your office who told me to send this video on to you guys. She didn't want to give me her name because she was afraid I might try and charge you um, for your free video, which I'm definitely not. I'm going to be giving you a ton of gold nuggets for free. So today I'm going to just show you a few things that you guys can do that's going to help your brand get more visibility and get more of those organic leads coming in. One important thing to note is that your website is what's going to bring in 70% of those organic leads. So it is important that your website be fully and properly optimized so you can capture all of those leads. So we are on your website. You have a nice looking website. You have separate pages for each of your different services, which is perfect. It's exactly what you need. I haven't gone through all your pages. You've got a ton of them, but I'm hoping all of the pages have unique content because that's very critical for ranking. You are attempting to go after your local buyer intent keywords, so that's great. You have a minimal amount of content on your home page. Um, I'm seeing a lot of branding usage, but I'm not really seeing the proper repetition for buyer intent keywords. So that is a problem. I'm not seeing enough content. And it looks like you're servicing 3 different counties. So you have a huge service area. So if you don't already have these pages built, you're going to need pages for each community in each of these counties that have any type of search volume for the services you're offering. So that way you can be found for each of your services in those communities. Google does not rank your website based on appearance. It's all based on content. So content is key. You need a ton of content, not just on your homepage, but throughout your website. You need more content than your top competitors. And your content needs to be built around your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for the services that you offer in those communities. They may not know the name of your brand, but they know the service that they need, and those are the searches that they're performing, and those are the ones that you need to build your content around, optimize, and rank so you can be found for those services. Google has robots called crawlers that go and index all of these pages looking for your original content and your keywords around these services so that they can index you for those keywords and put you in front of your customers when they're searching. Being in emergency restorations, it's even more critical that you're the first people that they find when they're having those emergencies. So whether you're running ads, your Google My Business, or your website organics, you want to be the first person that they see in any place that they're looking. So you definitely are going to have to work on optimizing your site. This is one of your top competitors in Sarasota. Yes, they are a franchise, so we're only looking at their Sarasota pages. They have a nice website. They have separate pages for their services, separate location pages. They have good content built around their location page. Sarasota, Florida, water restoration. So these guys are able to actually get indexed for those local buyer intent keywords and are able to rank for them. Um, and so these guys are actually outranking you guys in Sarasota based on their content and keywords. In order to beat these guys and any of your other competitors in all of your markets, you have to have the content and keyword strategy in place, backed by your search engine optimization. Going over to see your SEO, you guys have a great score. You guys have a 28 out of 100, and that's based on your referring domains and backlinks. You have a ton of them. But you only get credit for one backlink per referring domain, so you got quite a few backlinks that are actually spammy and hurting you because of that. Um, Out of your 566 referring domains, 470 are actually helpful, so 83%, so that's fairly good. With all your pages that you have, you've had 3,400 keywords that have been indexed, but you're only getting 1,600 in traffic, and majority of that traffic is all because of your blogs. Looking at your keywords that you are on the first page of Google for, almost none of these keywords are relevant. They're not buyer intent. These are all keywords going back to all these blog articles. Now, blogs are great when used correctly. You want your blogs to direct you to the appropriate service pages in those service areas so that they are hiring you for those services. Just writing blog articles and going after high level keywords just to see if customers stick doesn't work. So you need to be going after the proper buyer intent keywords for each of your locations. Your competitor in the Sarasota market, they have a rating of a 19 with only 16 referring domains. They're only getting 60 in traffic. They're not doing fantastic, but they are looking at their keywords. They are in the first page for all of these relative keywords that you are not in the first positions for. That you're either in low first page or back pages for these keywords. So you really need to focus on your buyer intent keywords, not just for your home page, but your back pages, so you're being found for those services in each of your locations. Backlinks are when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to it. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant these websites are that link to you, the more power and authority it's going to give you. But you also need to be linking them to your keywords so you can rank for those keywords and be found for your services, not just ranking for your brand, website, and blog. Now, this one is being linked to the word gross. I'm not sure how that helps you at all when it comes to being found for your services. So, then the last part is this Google Maps section. Your goal needs to be in the top 3 of this section for each one of your service areas for your relevant keywords. For this specific search, you are in the top 3, which is awesome. I'm not sure about your other service areas. So in order to be in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important are citations, which is the name of your business, address, phone number, and website. I'm listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Instagram, etc. And you need a lot more than your top competitors. You want to be in this spot because 30% of people come straight to the maps and won't go anywhere else. So if you're not here in each of those service areas, you're sending all of those leads to your competition. Now, when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your relative keywords for each service and every service area with those relevant keywords being used correctly. I really hope you found this video to be useful and that you'll be able to apply these tips so that you can start getting more of those organic leads. And definitely would like some feedback. Let me know what you thought of this video for sure. And then if you need help getting any of it done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.